Alright, we're going to try to do this real fast, but basically we got this on. I just need to tighten these bolts down. And this doesn't have to be super tight. Make sure it looks kind of even. Yeah, so they're all about like that. I have no idea how many inches on those. Okay, so it's basically like that. And then we just want to take our rag and turn it. Make sure it feels okay. Yeah, feels a little tight. Okay, what happened? So something's not right. See how it's it's really tight. You should be able to turn that. So alright, so I got a problem. So just gotta figure it out. Alright, so I'm not sure what the problem was. That's why I spray that silicone lubricant, because it keeps it good and lubricated. Anyway, we're turning good now. Alright, and so that's tight. Now we've got our part that we have an O-ring right here. Should be that one, I believe. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, there's that O-ring. Yeah, okay, so I got two O-rings. This one goes around the base, and that is going to be 202,591, and this one that goes up on top is 339,543. So we'll start with this one. Again, a little bit of silicone lubricant. And that'll fit just like that. The other one was really sloppy and loose. Alright, and then this one goes up on top. And that's right there, so real simple. Same thing with this one. Alright, and then top it off, I'm going to put a little bit of grease here. This won't hurt the O-ring. Just don't want to put it up on top. Just around the splines, and I got way too much. You don't even need that much. Alright, so now that one's ready to go back on. Along the seal here, I'm going to take a little bit of sealant, and it's just some, if I had the Evinrude stuff, I would just use it, but I'm just use some Permatex, probably black would be fine. It doesn't have to be high heat. We're not doing anything like that, but I'm going to just do it on this surface right here when it gets ready to go back on. Alright, here I'm just showing it running. I mean, I showed it running before. Somehow I lost all the footage to this from my GoPro. We just ran this motor the other day. Went out and did a leg test, and I don't know. It wasn't great. I may ask Mike if I can revisit this motor because it wasn't wanting to get up on plane, and it should. I mean, it seemed like it was running great, actually. So, not sure what was going on with that. So I don't know if we got a fuel pump that's kind of on its way out the door, or if maybe we need to adjust that timing a little bit. I mean, everything seems to be performing right. We did adjust and mess with moving the motor up and down. Of course, this was 1959. It's not like our modern motors where we have tilt and trim. We tilt things up or trim things down. I mean, it was like when it was at topping out, I had a wide open throttle going on it. It was like it almost wanted to plane out and build up the RPMs to really push the boat, but it never did, and it just wouldn't do it. And I looked at it pretty good while we were on the water. Took the top off, kind of adjusted messed with the carb a little bit. I did get it to run a little better, but it just didn't want to plane out, and I'm not sure why. Again, I don't know. I mean, the fuel pump seemed like it was working pretty good, but then, maybe it was just enough not to do it. I did suggest that they take it to my buddies over at the prop shop just to have a look at that prop. I mean, prop is everything, so could have the wrong prop on it. I'm not sure what to say about it, folks, but it does run great. Starts right up, runs, and I can tell you that when we kind of had the motor sitting to its one position all the way tilted back, it would run really good, but when we tilted all the way the other way, then it was really struggling. So it is what it is, but as soon as I get caught up with some other things, I'm going to hit him back and have him bring the boat back over just to see if I can maybe change out that fuel pump if he wants me to, or not. He does seem like he may want to just try to maybe get more of a modern motor. It is what it is. So anyway, thanks for watching, subscribing, and thanks for liking the videos, comment, and all that stuff. And anyway, thanks for watching.